We are going to do forward bending now, feet shoulder level apart. Slowly free your body and exhale, go down. Free your body completely. Your legs will be stretched, your back will be relaxed like this. And the name of this asana is Uttanasana and Padhasthasana. Just free your body completely. You need to free your hands. You can either fold them or keep them straight like this. If you find it difficult to do it, if you're not able to bend that much, you can use the blocks or anything of that height. What you can do is the similar thing, just need to go down, just need to bend down and free your body. You need to free your body completely. This relaxes your back, your shoulders, your upper back, your neck, and it gives a relaxation. It gives a stretch to your legs as well. This asana is really one of the very important asanas in yoga. And we make sure to do it every day in all the classes, as this really helps to relax and it ultimately helps you to get a good sleep as well. And then slowly you can come up